Welcome back to my channel, and for today's vlog, it's all about makeup. So I have a lot of request makeup look, and for this week, the most requested look is the Asian baby girl makeup. What I'm gonna do is recreate that look to my daughter. I wanna show you how to do the makeup using a Drugstore makeup. So I'm gonna show you now what product I'm going to use for this look. Here's the one from Everbilena Moschino. The highlights is from the BYS2. This one, the brow wit, is from Thailand. It's non-chat. Also a Drugstore makeup. Then the brushes. And then I have a L'Oreal for the foundation, LA Pro for the concealer. Corrector is from LA Girl. And I have the concealer from Maybelline, mascara from BYS. I think this makeup is so trending for the millennials. So let's try. Stay tuned, guys! Okay, so we're going to start. Let's take off the glasses. Now we're going to clean up the face. Let's cover up the pimples and then we clean up the eyebrows first muna. Okay, so before we start, let's clean up. Tatanggalin muna natin yung excess na kilay. Bawas sa kataas. So, Asian baby girl, more on Korean look pero mas detailed. Ano pa rin siya? Glass skin. So, yung mga excess na hair sa taas, tatanggalin din. Moisturizer na. She's oily skin and then nagbe-breakout. We're using this one because it's a water-based and oil-free. So, after na moisturizer, make sure na naset mo na yung moisturizer sa skin before you apply another product. So, this is the product that we're going to use, the face primer from BYS. Corrector for the pimple. For the under eye, we're using LA corrector naman para matakpan yung mga eye bags. We're going to use the foundation all over the face. Highlights and under eye. Number 20, Maybelline. For the cream contour, I'm going to use the CoverGirl True Magic. Nose din, lagyan din ng konting contour, cream contour para later pag na-powder na, maganda na siya tignan. Okay, gamit tayo na setting powder using Everbilena. Now we're going to put eyeshadow. We have to put first eye primer. So ayan, all over the lid. Okay, so set muna natin ng konting powder ang eyelid kasi di ba nabagay tayo ng konting primer. So set natin siya. Konting powder lang. And then, let's start for the eyeshadow. So, start muna tayo sa pinaka-light. All over the lid lang siya. Circular motion stroke ng brush. Apply again. Sa outer B. Apply again. Then, blend. Going into the inner corner of the eyes. You wanna elongate the eye. So, from the outer B, just keep on blending lang siya, going inside. Same here. From the outer V, just keep blending, going inside. One more. So from the outer V, and blend, going inside. Okay, I'm going for the darkest. So from outer V, follow the natural line, and then make sure that it's a shape of a V from the outside. Use a shimmer in the middle. So ayan, I'm gonna use this shimmer. Top this one in the middle. Now I'm going to use mascara. So tayo maglagay ng eyelashes. Maglagay muna tayo ng eyeliner sa taas. Sa middle, and then dito sa dulo. So minsan, I use cream type. Pero ngayon, okay lang din naman. Pen type, it's okay. But be careful lang kasi minsan, masyadong messy to. Pag nagkamali ka, wala na. Lashes. Okay, so lalagyan ko lang siya ng dark brown para hindi masyado super heavy. So top ko lang siya ng medyo darker brown. Mimix ko lang yung color. Okay, sa outer lang ng water lash line. So, outer lang. So now, kilay naman. So, lagyan natin ng kaunting mascara sa under eye. Blend lang ulit. Okay. Linis time. Ito yung pang-contour. So, ito na lang yung gagamitin yung pinaka-darkest. Yun na yung gagamitin nyo for the nose line. Blush on. Highlights. Tip of the nose. Cupid bow. Highlights. Right? We are done in this area now. We have to iron the hair and then change the clothes. Okay, so ngayon, naayos na natin yung hair. And then, lalagay natin yung hikaw. Okay, so ilalagay natin yung fake tattoo.
Oh, you know, I'm gonna fuck up the recording anyway. That doesn't matter. Now it does.
I know something's up because you called me. Wonder if I see it in your eyes. You just wanna hear me cause you're lonely.
guys, that's the transformation from the normal look to Asian baby girl makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification for my next video. Thank you and bye!